we go. It's like he left. You can be serious, but you've been hitting up this site and you've been like pushing it on like Twitter and stuff. So that's kind of hot.
I gotta make it do what it do.
Okay, so we're here at Tribe. We're at, I was gonna say Tribe Worship. That's so long. We're here at Praise Once Lifted Part 2. Did you make it to number 1?
Yeah.
You did. Of course. Did you like this concert?
Yeah, this one was bananas. It was nice. It was nice. It was really good.
What's your favorite song? What's your favorite performance? Favorite song of the night?
I gotta say, gimme.
All right. Really? Okay, so would you like to hear this type of music, urban worship music on the radio? Would you like to hear it?
Most definitely. That's why I'm sick of the radio now.
Really?
Really.
So you don't really listen to it like pop music?
Nah, I gotta keep it 100. That's why I still every now and then turn on 96.5. You know.
Okay, because
It's kind of wet.
What do you think the problem is? Why do you think they're not playing our music? What do you want to hear? Why do you think it's not being played?
I think they're just stuck in the same zone. You know, just stuck in routine. So they won't get the next person to change.
Right.
That type of thing. My name is Dakis. It's Tri Urban Worship. Peace.